Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn how to draw a histogram of varying width. Histogram looks like a bar graph or bar chart except the area of the bar and not the height shows the frequency of data. Histograms are typically used when the data is in groups of unequal width. The area of the bar represents the frequency, so to find height or the length of the bar, the formula is adjusted frequency or length equals to frequency into lowest width upon class width for the corresponding frequency. Let's understand histogram of varying width by an example. A random survey of the number of children of various age groups playing in a park was found as follows. So this is the table given. In first column we are given age in years. In second column we will write number of children. The age groups are given 1 to 2 years, 2 to 3 years, 3 to 5 years, and number of children in the age group 1 to 2 years is 5, 2 to 3 years is 3, 3 to 5 years is 6, and 5 to 7 years is 12, 7 to 10 years is 9. Number of children in the age group 10 to 15 is 10, and number of children in the age group 15 to 17 is 4. So this was given in the question, age and number of children. If you see the first column age carefully, you see something peculiar, and that is the class interval. Width or the class size is not uniform. So first of all we'll calculate class size for each class interval. The formula is upper limit minus lower limit. 2 minus 1 is 1. For second interval 3 minus 2, which is again 1. For third interval 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 10 minus 7 is 3. 15 minus 10 is 5. And 17 minus 15 is 2. Now we need to calculate the length of each rectangular bar, or we can say we need to adjust the frequencies, because in a histogram the areas of the rectangles are proportional to the frequencies. Now to get the adjusted frequency, the formula is frequency of the class interval upon class size or width multiplied by lowest class size. And the lowest class size or the lowest class width is 1 in our case. Now let's put the values in the formula. The frequency is 5, the class size is 1, and the lowest class size is 1. You can see the lowest class size is 1. So you'll get 5 is the length of the rectangle which has width 1. Now for second class interval 3 is the frequency, class width is 1 multiplied by the lowest class width which is 1, you'll get 3. Similarly for 6, frequency 6 divided by class size 2 multiplied by the lowest class size which is 1, you will get 3. Now for fourth class interval, frequency is 12 divided by width which is 2 multiplied by the lowest class size which is 1. We'll continue, we'll get 6. Now next class 9 is the frequency, 3 is the width multiplied by lowest class size which is 1, you will get 3. For next class 10 is the frequency divided by 5 class size multiplied by lowest class size which is 1, you will get 2. For next and the last class 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, you will get 2. Now we'll draw histogram using width and length of the rectangle. Here we have a graph paper. The horizontal line is x-axis and the vertical line is y-axis, and the intersection point of x-axis and y-axis is O, origin. On y-axis I am writing number of children, and on x-axis I am taking age in years. Now let's take a suitable scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter will represent 1 year or 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter will represent 1 child, or you can say 1 unit. You can choose a scale according to your convenience. The maximum age of the child who is playing in the park is 17 years. So I will mark from 1 to 17 on x-axis. Now in the column of adjusted frequencies, the highest number is 6. So I am marking 1 to 6 on y-axis. Let's start making rectangles. The length is 5 and the width is 1. This is the first rectangle. We will color it green. And the height of this rectangle is 5. From the table you can see for the second rectangle, the length is 3 and the width is 1. So this is the second rectangle. We are coloring it with yellow. For third rectangle, the length is 3 and the width is 2. So this is the third rectangle. The length is 3 and the width is 2. We will color it with red. For fourth rectangle, the length is 6 and the width is 2. So this is the fourth rectangle. I am using purple color for this. For fifth rectangle, the length is 3 and the width is also 3. We can call it a square. I am using dark pink color for this square or rectangle. For next rectangle, the width is 5 and the length is 2. I am using green color for this. And for last rectangle, the length is 2 and the width is also 2. So we can say it is a square. The height of first bar is 5, the height of second bar is 3, the height of third bar is also 3, the height of fourth bar is 6, the height of next bar is 3, the height of next bar is 2 and again 2. And in this way we get the histogram of varying width. This is the required histogram. Now you try this question. A random survey was done and this information is received. This is a table given, age in years, number of persons. You have to draw a histogram for the above information. I'm sure you can do it. So let's give it a try. Thank you for watching and learning.